So, MySpace. We were walking. Let's walk over there. Let's walk. And we came upon, let's see, can I zoom this shit in?
A chicken. A rooster.
No, this shit's a rooster, homie.
That shit's a rooster. You know they're Mexicans.
That's how you know you're in the ghetto. When you see this. Rooster! Where's it at? Go, mommy freaks. Go play with it.
No. Let's go.
Go.
What if
Go,
they
Bubbles.
come out and shit?
Look, they're running. They're running. They're running across the
No, what if it bites me?
Get out of the way.
I don't want it to bite me.
Go the other way. Look, it's a rooster, you guys. How do you make rooster noises?
Oh,
That's a crow.
That's a corral.
Okay, let's go. Let's just walk. Oh, is that Escalade? Let me get your number. Let me get your. Hey,
That's a 5-star. Remember our talk?
Hey, I don't give a fuck. He has a nice car. No, fuck you guys. I'm on my own side. Why? Oh, okay, I'm the. You guys don't even.
Oh fuck no! That was a big ass dog. That was just not business.
Who
still recording?
the hell chills in their car?
Who would chill?
We do.
I'll do it if I got some guys up in there. I know, right? Yeah, but we ain't.
Oh my god, there's like animals. Animals, you mean insects? Insects, whatever. That's a big ass bush. Oh look, oh my battery's gonna die soon. No, I need.